day 3 in Manila mga bay, and I'm now here outside. And I will go to the mall, which is the Mall of Asia. Do you have a flyover here that you can go there? So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go! I'm feeling really good today. Something's might going to happen. Positive. You know, just following. So, Mall of Asia na i-ditch mga bay. So, tara na at magliwaliw. Excited na ako mag-shopping. Where to go, honey?
MOA Square, that's, you know, that east.
Mall of Asia. Mga bay, we're inside the mall. I don't know really what I'm doing here. I know I need to go shopping, but hindi ko pa alam kung saan pupunta. Ito mga nandito, hindi ko to alam. Yung mga brand, hindi ko rin alam. Ngayon ko lang to makita. May mga ganyan pa pala. So, mamasyal muna tayo rito mga bay. Samahan niyo lang ako mamasyal. Ayan, tapos papasok lang tayo sa mall kapag may nakita na tayong gusto natin, di ba? Lunch mga bay, dito na naman kami back sa SM. Dito pupunta kami ng Ikea. Well, nakabili na ako ng Crocs na chanelas. Tapos, itong SM. Tapos, gusto doon niyang makita yung Ikea. Gusto niyang makita ng Ikea dito sa Pilipinas kung anong meron. So, puntahan natin yung ngayon. So, ayan, nagpuuna-una na siya. Wow! It's very nice in Ikea. You have a place where you can get a snacks. See?
Take a break.
What?
Take a break.
Take a break? Yeah. I enjoy shopping where lots of clothes and stuff. But, well, this one is not bad too. Let's just see. So this is more like a showroom mga bay. Oh my god. Wala lang, lucky. Ikea here. Get something that I like where I can put my laptop. Like this. I want to buy this one. This is my room gonna look like. This is gonna be look like my room. This is my room gonna look like too. I don't know. There will be a baby in there. Oh my god. Oops. Or maybe this. I don't know. I'm got confused now. What my room will gonna be look like. Bathrooms. Will be like this? I'm not too sure. Let's see the other one here. This one is, this will be my, well honey, I like it, this one. I think this will gonna be my room. Bigger, right? Right? And there's a room for that bathroom over there. Right? I've never thought going to Ikea. It's very interesting. I got lots of ideas on what to do on my, if I'm gonna build a house, to my room. Never. Someday. I'll come back here when I'm going to start building my house. Right, honey?
What?
We have a pretty idea already what to build. How to make our bedrooms. Right, honey?
Oh, you have different ideas than I thought, that's for sure.
So, this is the outside of the MOA. Look at this thing over there. Very busy. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Lots of Christmas lights.
And palm trees.
Whoa! Whoa! I got this for my supper. And Daryl got noodles. And here comes the dinner. Daryl and me will eat here in Panda. We decided to eat here because the place that we are supposed to visit is closed because of the pandemic. So Daryl got this in his, what do you call this one, honey? What do you call this one? What do you call this one?
Fortune cookies.
Fortune cookies. Okay, so this is what he got. You will be surprised by close friend. And then mine, I don't know yet. Let's see. Okay, now let's see what it said here. Your greatest wish will come true. Oh my! Look at this. Are you gonna make it come true, honey? Are you gonna make it come true? Oh. So, mga bay, this is where we have our lunch, our supper, sorry, here in Panda. There you go. You just come out from there. And then, look at this view. Look at that man standing there, right? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Right? Okay, here you go. That's what it looks like from here. And of course, it's a busy city in Manila. Everybody rushing home, so this is a rush hour. And see? Rush hour. Our hotel is over there. You can see that one over there. The Heritage Hotel. That is our hotel located. So we're just going to walk from here to there. So Daryl is there waiting for me. I'll just go on this side. So you can see the pretty busy traffic of Manila. Hi, honey. Come on. Huh? No. Why? I just wanted to take a video. Okay, okay. Okay. And there you go. That is our hotel. Still busy city. Over there, it's just so crazy. Okay. Back to here. So that is our hotel. So the hotel. Back to the elevator. We are here in Millennium Club. Back to where it was. Hotel. Oo.